money. You guys are gonna freak out when you see what I did today. So I ordered all of my groceries online for Costco. I didn't have to pick them up. I didn't have to take my kids. I didn't have to carry all the heavy stuff. I didn't have to pack it in my car. I didn't have to bring it in from the car. It was awesome, and delivery was completely free. So since a lot of you guys are a mom as well, I know you guys are gonna want to save time and save money on Costco grocery shopping. So today I'm gonna share another Costco grocery shopping tip with you guys, and it's all about getting your groceries ordered online and delivered straight to your house for free. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do that. Plus, Instacart also has a refer a friend program, which basically means you guys get to share your personal link with friends and earn money, free cash that you can either put towards groceries or just have free cash. It's pretty cool. It's totally legit. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So if you guys are brand new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can check out the rest of my Costco videos at the end of this one. All right, let's jump right in. If you guys head to themeleashow.com/Instacart, the link is below in the YouTube description. If you wanna just click it, it'll take you to this page. Once you're there, enter in your zip code to see if Instacart delivers in your area. And if you guys notice at the bottom of the screen, these are all of the grocery stores that deliver to my zip code. So you're gonna have something very similar in your area, which is awesome because you can use this service for more than just Costco, which is really cool. But since this is a Costco video, we're gonna talk about Costco. Once you're logged in, click on the stores tab and then pick the store that you wanna shop at to get your groceries delivered. Okay, now this is the fun part. If you look at the very top, it'll show you all the coupon savings, which I'll show in a second, but it also shows you all of the ways to get free delivery. And there are always free delivery promotional offers with lots of different brands, so it's very, very easy to buy the products that your family already loves and still get free delivery. But before you even get shopping, you need to pick the time you want your groceries delivered. So in the upper right-hand corner, you can click on the time. Since I've already added a bunch of those free delivery promotional items, you'll notice that my delivery costs will show as free. One really important section to check is the coupon savings section. There are tons of offers in here, and I would highly recommend that you check out the section every time you use Instacart, no matter what store you're shopping with. You can also shop by department, which will help you find exactly what you need in every single department without having to go up and down every aisle like you would be if you were in store. And after you've ordered once, you'll have items saved in your item section. You can quickly re-add those to a cart the next time that you want to use Instacart and check out and have your groceries delivered to your house. All right, now it's time to talk about how to earn money using Instacart. After you've placed your first order and used it, you can use their Give 10, Get 10 promotion. It's basically a refer a friend program. So you're gonna give your friends your special link. It will give them $10 off their first order through Instacart, which is an awesome discount. And then you're gonna get $10 after they place their order. Now, Instacart does coupon code promotions on a regular basis. If you go to the very top and you click on your account, you'll see the coupon code section. That's where you can enter in your promo code, and I will be sharing promo codes that I see on my Instagram account. So if you guys follow me on Instagram, I will let you know when I see awesome Instacart coupon codes to share so you guys can save on your groceries. There's also something really cool they have called group carts. Basically, you can place an order with friends or family or coworkers, and you'll still get to be able to use that referral bonus to earn some cash when you guys work together. There are a few other important tips I want to make sure you guys know if you're going to use Instacart. So let me show you guys my cart. These are some of the groceries that I ordered recently through Instacart, through Costco. You'll notice that they even have deli items or chef-prepared items like the chicken pot pie. You can order those things through Instacart just like you would in store. The other thing I want to say is sometimes Instacart will not show every single item that the Costco has. So you can actually type in the name of the item if you guys have an idea of what the quantity is, and you can actually manually add it in. The total will show $0, and then your personal shopper at Costco who's picking up your order will try to find that item. If they do, they will put in the cost and add it to your order. And of course, they are going to be contacting you and discussing things through text message. So if you guys have any questions, you're gonna get text. And if there's anything that they need to replace or ask you if they can swap out for something similar, they're going to text you about that as well. If you did one of the free delivery promotions, you'll notice that it will show up at checkout, so you'll know that you actually did get free delivery. You also are gonna notice a service fee. Now the service fee is the tip for your delivery person. They are going to be pulling everything at the Costco, they're gonna drive it to your house, all of that. So you can change the tip. If you click on it, it will tell you that it's at 5% based off of how much you purchased. You can change it to anything you want. You can not tip if you decide not to. You can change it after you get your groceries delivered, depending on how good their service was. It's totally up to you. All right, so I know you guys are gonna ask me about Instacart Express. For those of you who try Instacart and love it and are gonna have your groceries delivered a lot, you might wanna consider getting Express. Basically, you get your groceries delivered for free as often as you want for a flat fee. They do have a free 14-day trial, so if you guys do wanna try that, you can. After that, you're gonna get charged $99 a year, but you'll be able to get free delivery on any order of $35 or more from any store, not just Costco. And of course, if you guys have any questions about Instacart that I didn't get to answer in this video, of course you can head to their help section. It will answer any additional questions that you have.
All right, are you guys so excited to try this? It is really easy. I did go super in depth with the video to make sure you guys knew exactly how every little aspect of it worked and how you guys could save money with their coupons and everything. But if you guys are ready to try Costco deliveries and get your Costco grocery shopping done online, you guys can head to themeleashow.com/Costco online. The direct link is below in my YouTube description if you want to click on it and get there quickly. Like I said earlier, I will share any promotional codes or coupon codes over on my Instagram account. And since YouTube has disabled comments, and comments are kind of broken right now, if you guys have any questions about this video or anything I shared, head over to my Instagram account, The Melea Show. Follow me there and ask questions. I'm really good about answering questions over there. I would love to know if you guys have used Instacart, if you've used the referral program, if you guys thought it saved you money, if it saved you time, if it was worth it. So if you guys want to chime in, comment below if it's open, and if it's not, it's still not working, head over to Instagram, and I'd love to hear from you guys. All right, thanks guys, I'll talk to you later. And more Costco videos popping up right now.